I am Daniel Schuch, the Managing Director of DASA Elektronik, and we have been working with electrical engineering, electronics, and automation for over 20 years. Among other things, we install contactors, soft starters, frequency converters, busbar systems. Basically, everything that the Siemens product portfolio offers is typically used by us. We have also installed a large circuit breaker. Recently, we've started using Sirius 3Rc7.
The Sirius 3Rc7 is an intelligent link module which transforms a classic circuit breaker contactor combination into an intelligent load feeder.
The Quarries requirement was that during the winter break, we should offer a retrofit for the customer's existing system.
The goal was to modernize the system, prepare for the 21st century, and simultaneously maintain production security, while also gaining more information and insights about our production. The timeline was absolutely crucial for us, because we only had 2 months of winter repair time to implement the entire transformation. Production starts again in March, and we simply knew that with DASA we had partners who would ensure that everything would be completed on time.
And due to the availability of Siemens components, we were able to achieve this solution. Among other things, we also implemented the new Sirius 3Rc7, and thanks to its simple wiring and easy installation, as well as the truly wonderful integration in the TIA portal, we were able to meet these requirements.
So, with the additional information we can extract from the new system technology, we simply maintain our systems prophylactically, so that less downtime will occur in the future, and our production can run securely.
By using a Sirius 3Rc7 module, we can also evaluate the data that this module provides, and thereby plan maintenance accordingly and detect damages early on, allowing the customer to react accordingly.
Furthermore, the customer has all measurement data directly in the process image of the controller, meaning it's available in the automation system, which I can easily use further in the TIA portal.
The great thing about Sirius 3Rc7 is that it offers motor protection, power, as well as current measurement and error diagnosis capabilities all in one device.
End customers also have major advantages with the Sirius 3Rc7. For example, from 0.4 to 32 amperes, there are only 3 different variants. Thus, you need to keep fewer devices in stock and can quickly replace devices in case of failure.